Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I would like to share you how to make your own AI. For example, if you would like to make the face generator or another type of AI with YouWare.com. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So, guys, can you believe even though we are not from the IT background or doesn't have the IT degree, but we can create our own AI or, for example, the face generator like this. So, thanks to the UWare, because we can create this from the scratch. So, to start off the tutorial, you can start to access the YouWare.com, and here I am accessing it from my PC to get more view. And after that, for the new user, they will usually give you 500 credits to create your own AI, or let's say the something to generate the music or video or the text, etc. To start off, you can start to click this create here. And don't worry, because this YouWare.com will always instruct you what to do next. For example, here you can start to tell this YouWare what you would like to build or what AI that you would like to create. For example, I would like to build the image generator that any object can have the face, whether that the human face or the cartoon face. And right after I paste or put my text here, as you can see, there will almost show you the shadows of the next prompt or the next text. And if you agree with this recommendation from this uware.com, you can continue to click or hit the tab in your keyboard. And right after you click the tab, there will be another prompt that will recommend you or suggest you. And if you agree with this, then you can continue to click tab to accept this. And if you are okay with this prompt, so you can continue to click generate here button. And after that, it will direct you into this section. They will usually let you to wait for maybe 3 minutes until 5 minutes, depends on the complexity of your request or the prompt. And after waiting for a while, so this face generator AI will be ready to use, guys. And for example, you can start to put the image. For example, I will give you the result. You can upload the image. For example, I want this refrigerator to have the cartoon face. And after that, you can scroll down and select the face area. You can select this by manually or by the automation. For example, I will show you. Here's the refrigerator. And after that, you can select the detected object, or which means that this will be the place that will have the face. And if you prefer to detect the face object manually, you can click this manual select and drag the area. Give it the double click until the selected to become green. And after that, you can choose the face library. For example, I want this refrigerator has the silly cartoon face, and for example have the excited expression. And after that, you can continue to generate the face. and kindly wait for a while. And after that, the picture will be shown down here, guys. Isn't that cute? So if you would like to try it, don't forget to try the link on the description box. And if you would like to publish this face generator, don't worry because this usually give you the button to publish and you can share it into your friend or your family. But since I have tried to make this face generator before, so the button it turns to be the history or update. But if you have just made this AI, so on the right section there will be the publish button, and you can also start to share the link into your friend. And if you would like to get the extra credits, so you can share your link into your family to and do the login with this AI, guys. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this YouWare.com and log on your creativity. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.